I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I feel like I hit the jackpot when I went today. I was looking to see what kind of like Halloween stuff they had. I hadn't been there in a while, but I hit the jackpot. Like, my inner Disney person was like freaking out that I found these rubber duckies. I actually collect rubber ducks, so this was really fun for me to find that they are in Disney theme, and I found a lot. So we have Stitch, his girlfriend Angel. We have Minnie, Donald, Moana, Belle. Okay, the one thing though is these were ringing up 75 cents now. So see how it has like the little red sticker on here? These are ringing up, not 75 cents, I'm sorry, $1.75. So I thought they'd be like, because some of them were like this, where they didn't have one. I thought, okay, maybe they'll be like $1.25, $1.50. Nope, they were $1.75. But I had to have them. Like, I just couldn't help it. So we have Tigger. We have Poa the pig from Moana. We have 626. So this is Stitch in his alien form. So I love that they had two of those. I got a Elsa. I do have an Olaf in here, I thought. It might be at the bottom of the box, but I'm pretty sure that I did get a Olaf. Okay, I tried to look quickly. I couldn't find the Olaf, but I did get an Olaf. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Then they had these frozen decals that are for like the walls. But I got these because I did just get back from my Disney Alaska cruise, so I thought that would be really good. And then they did have some of the Disney princesses, which we did take photos with. Who did we get? We got Belle, we got Ariel, and then they had Tiana on this ship when we went. So, too bad I didn't have a Tiana. I'm missing Tiana. Okay, these I thought were really cute. These like little pom-pom pens, and then these are the scented ones, which Sunny Boy loves scented like markers and pens and all that. So these were still the $1.25. Sadly, the Christmas or I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't think or talk today. The Halloween has gone up to $1.50. So I got these little mini pens that I thought were really cute, and then I found these little plastic bags right here. Again, these went up to $1.50. So it says spooky season. These I thought were really cute with the little ghosties. Like, I love this one right here. It looks like a little vampire dude. Super cute. Got this little bag that has like a bunch of different writing in there. It's kind of hard to see. So we got like beware, ghouls and goblin, boo, eek. Really cute. And I got one more that says Happy Halloween. I got some of these pencils that matched with this over here. So like here is the spider web pencil, and then here is the pen. So I got that pack. I found this pack of pens that I thought was really cool, where it has like the little skeleton hand. So that was 4 of those, and this is like a blue, kind of like blue purple looking, which I thought was pretty interesting. Not exactly what I think of for like Halloween. Then they had this bag, so this matches this one right here, so I had to get those two. I thought this would be really nice for like background layering pieces for any like Halloween embellishments. And they had this in orange also, but be aware all the glitter does easily flake off. So just, you know, be aware that it is going to make a mess. These little bones, I know I have them in my stash. I couldn't find them. I didn't want to take apart like my whole garage looking for the box. I just bought another pack. So I did one year where I made a little like banner piece, and I wanted to make some more because I thought that would be really cute to have. And then the other day I was making sequence mixes, and I told you guys I wanted the clear tube, and I couldn't find it in my stash. I don't know if I used it all or not. So since I found it there, I grabbed another one. And then like silver and gold is just like staple colors that is easy to have in my stash. And I found these little bags that I thought were really cute, so I grabbed those. Then they had Kool-Aid, zombie berry, pop rocks, which I thought were fun. I love eating these, and then, you know, with the kids, and it's just a good time. I've really gotten into coloring again. So So I found this one. It does come with the paint in there, but I'm not gonna use the paint. I have some acrylic markers, paint markers, so I'm gonna be using that. Sunny Boy loves Power Rangers, so they found one little random one, so I got that for him, so I'm gonna surprise him with that. Okay, these were really cool. I have not seen these before. So they have double-sided markers there, so we'll open these up and try them because I want to try those out. Then they had mini notebooks that matches everything, so I want to go ahead and like pair the mini notebook with a pen and use that for some Happy Mail. I think would be really cute. I just needed some mechanical pencils because I don't know why I don't have any. I have tons of pens, no pencils. I got 2 of those pop rocks. Like I said, I needed more than enough of those. Oh, I got another set of those pens because I want to make sure I have more than enough little mini pens. These are just so stinking cute. I bought them before. I even have a tutorial of where I made this top into a shaker. So remind me, and I'll link that down below. So I got another one of those. And then these little skulls are always just so fun and cute, the little tiny pails. So I got these specifically because I want my mom to diamond dot them. I said in another video that I was watching a girl where she like was blinging up like Halloween mask and these like little pails, and they were coming out so stinking cute. So I thought I'd give that to my mom to have like a little project to go ahead and do. And then I finally found the coin envelopes. So if your store hasn't had them and you've been looking for them, don't give up. They might be just slowly coming out. So we have 15 envelopes here that are 3.5 by 6.5, and then 20 over here that are 3 by 4. So really cute, especially like if you're into junk journaling, these would be great. If you have stencils, like if you have a spider web stencil to stencil on there, I think would be really cute as well. And then this one kind of annoyed me. I've been looking for this 3-compartment case forever. Like, they used to be so easy to find. I even joined a couple swaps where you had to fill this up, put like a belly band around it. I loved that swap. I have not been able to find them. I'm like, of course, now that the price goes up, now I find them, right? So I finally found them. So I got that one. And then I did get a pack of these. So I was like, wait, I've seen this before and I ignore them, and I just realized that they're skin tone. So I want to try them out. It says it's a pencil, so let me move this stuff and let's try out the new goodies that we got. Okay, so I didn't realize until right now. I went to open this because I wanted to get one out, and look, there is actually different ones in here. So this matches the whole collection this year. I thought I was only getting these 2. I didn't realize that the other patterns were in the back. Now I need to go buy another pack of these because I would love to coordinate the pins to the little paper pad. Oh yeah, see, look at how cute. Here is our other little, how does this go? Why does this look backwards? I'm like, what am I doing wrong here? Why does this look backwards? Like, this one says boo correctly. Did I get a defective one here? Because why is this one backwards? Like, okay, well, I guess I'm going to be using this one because either I'm dumb and don't see how this is supposed to go. But no, because this one looks fine. Okay, anyways, I'll use the one that doesn't work. I'll keep that one for myself. Okay, now I want to open these because I've seen these in other colors as well. But like I said, I never paid attention until this last trip that these say skin tone, which I wish I would have got before when they were cheaper and only $1.25, because these have now gone up. So I want to see how these are. And like I said, I've been getting back into coloring, so if these are skin tones, this would be really nice. Instead of taking like beads and stuff this year for my trip to Alaska, I took coloring with me, and I think that's what really got me to like, oh, I missed this. Oh yeah, these are cute. Okay. Now I need to go find the other colors because I know that they had more of these, but the store I went to was just out at the moment. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see these on camera, but I'll bring the paper up. Okay, these are cute. These are perfect for skin colors. Okay, I'm going to go buy another pack of these because I really like those. So there's our colored pencils, which came in this case right here, and I know I've seen more colors. And then this is like a pastel set. So let's open this up. So with these, we have two sides. We have the broad side and the fine side. So we have our normal, and then we have like, yeah, like our chisel side. Oh, that actually looks like two different colors. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but this looks more orange than this. This looks yellow. This looks kind of orangey. Is it supposed to be the same color, or are they two different colors? No, they're both supposed to be a buttercup yellow. Interesting. Let's check out the other ones. Do I need to shake these or something? No, right? I don't think so. Oh, and it actually says quick dry on them. So this is a lime green. I don't know if I'd call that a lime green. That actually looks the same to me. And then we have a blue. Oh, I like that blue. Make sure I put my top on all the way. I feel like those are kind of different too. I don't know if on camera that's picking it up, but this one looks darker. And then we have a yucky pink. Yeah, see, that pink looks a little bit darker. I wonder if it's just more ink comes out than the fine tip, so it makes it look darker. I don't know. Let me see the back. You get a little bit of shadowing, but this paper is not good at all. It is very thin. So I'm gonna say these were a win. And these, I don't remember how much they came out to. It doesn't have the red dot on there, but I don't remember how much these were. I don't have my receipt with me, but I'll have to check. And then I definitely want to pick up more colors, and then I will definitely be going back and getting another set of the skin tone, and then looking for more of these, because I know that they had other colors before. I just didn't find them this time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.